Is this the last time we're seeing this price, or either is going down even more? This is a major question came into your mind, guys. But let me tell you, this is the consolidation area. I always say that it's a consolidation. A lot of people say it's dump like crazy, then a lot of people cry like a baby. Guys, we see similar kind of things happen in this area as well. This we see similar kind of things happen right now. Hope look at this one, this same candle over here. Let me highlight it to you. You can see what exactly I'm talking about it. Look at this area, guys. Look at this small dump area. Just similar thing happened right now. So a lot of people say again you're doing a mistake, again you're losing hope. I know the BTC take correction again and it's dumped like crazy. I'm a holder. I grab every single dip. I read a lot of comments. One of the comments say that you always talk about the SLP. Why? I definitely looking a profit in this area because I'm already bought at very deep. These people, those people commenting so badly, they spit on me, and they say that, yeah, Travis, you talk like a shit, man. Seriously, talk like a shit. Just because it's keep dumping right now. I know that guys dumping right now or already bought this token at this price because I see this is a major support. Now it's dumping like crazy from this area as well. Why not? Why not? Might be next day, create like a crazy. It's happened. It's happened. It's a crypto market, man. In short, I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion. I know a lot of people disappointed right now because the BTC taking correction right now and definitely impact the altcoin as well. But you have to remember every single time frame. Let's dive into the small time frame. Look at this one. BTC dumped like crazy in this area, just like SOP did. Similar, they copy the BTC price, and suddenly this type of dump happened. Might be it goes a little bit more down, and we're waiting for 590 or even 580. Golden pocket. If it reach that level, it's a golden pocket. I always love to buy very low price, and I'm not say that it's overvalued. This is my trade, and mostly I play a little bit only the minor friction of amount, not a big amount. But when I see a little bit profit, then I play a long shot. But again, this is the this is my profit at the last time I get it, guys. That is the reason why I share my support and resistance, just because I also do trade on FTX. I know the FTX giving me some kind of benefit. So you can see, if you don't have FTX account, link in the down in the description. Earn together. But you have to focus on the support because I do a trade regular basis. So I'm waiting for the good trade where I can make a little bit profit. That's why I'm just showing this thing to you guys. I know what exactly going on, but I do trade on SOP mostly because I am monitoring this coin almost more than a month. Just think about it, how long I'm monitoring this thing. So I just share my personal opinion, not a financial advice again, guys. So I'm totally bullish right now, still bullish no matter what other people think about it. I know the other people spit on me. They said like, yeah, they spit on my face, say that it's not good. It's not good, Travis, it's not good. We're losing a huge chunk of money. Because we bought at 40 cents, we bought at 30 cents, we bought at 25 cents, we bought at 20 cents, we bought at 15 cents. I really don't know anything about that time because I'm not in a trade that time. Trade when it's almost around 13 cents, I put little bit amount of money. Then I put a big chunk of money on 10 cents. Then I put a mega amount of money in almost around 6 cents. And it's still above from my 6 cents right now. My averaging entry almost around 8 cents, guys. 8 cents is my average entry. And I want to exit almost around a 13 cents. Because there is the price where I hold along. That is the price where I hold also long. Just think about it. So guys, this is all about SLP related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.